welcome to the American University of Iraq Sulaimani, the Forum for Culture and the Arts. I thank the founder of the university and AUIS trustee, Dr. Barham Saleh, for his vision and energy in creating this wonderful event, part of a multi-day festival for culture and arts that celebrates the importance of these subjects in our lives and in society. My special thanks go to members of the university staff who worked so hard and are working even now to make this entire event go smoothly. 2 days ago, I attended a small tree planting ceremony in Hawari Shar Park. It was just before a big musical performance that evening. There I met Mr. Sadun Jabbar, who many of you know is a famous Iraqi singer and oud player who was amazingly relaxed and cheerful despite the fact that within a few minutes he was going to be performing live in front of 1,000 people. At one point as we spoke, Dr. Sabun burst into song. Everyone stopped what they were doing in the small room to listen to him. When he finished and we began again to speak, I felt part of me miss the song. What is it about music that demands our attention, that draws us into it? It seems to be the opposite of most of what we learn in a university. In the classroom, we exercise our minds, our powers of logic and reason, allowing us to make decisions based on fact and analysis rather than on intuition and emotion. It may seem that music is from a different planet entirely. The training and skill of the performers helps to evoke feelings, emotions that are the opposite of critical thinking. Yet, they are a major part of what it means to be human. While we think of logic and music as being very different, many of the finest scientists and engineers play a musical instrument. Throughout history, an appreciation for music has been the hallmark of the finest education. So sometimes when the modern world encourages us to think of ourselves as robots, we need to remember that if that's true, we are robots who cannot resist the urge to sing. Clearly, critical thinking isn't all that university students need to learn. AUIS was founded 16 years ago. Our 1,400 students come from every governorate in Iraq, as well as from Syria, Afghanistan, Iran, and Turkey. 27% of our students come from outside the Kurdistan region, the highest percentage I'm aware of for any university in the region. Today, our 290 staff and faculty come from 20 different countries. Our community thus enjoys a wide variety of music from different cultures in the region. The university encourages musical performance and singing in student clubs. There's an important reason for that university support. We believe our students learn outside the classroom as much as inside. The need for self-discipline and practice in achieving excellence, the appreciation of beauty and goodness, the ability to work effectively with others in teams and other groups, the leadership skills and other skills learned in a music band or an environmental club or on the football field. All of these skills are as valuable as the critical thinking ability learned in the classroom. As a non-governmental, not-for-profit university with no investors and a strong sense of public benefit mission, we believe that our university should be dedicated not just to educating good students, but the kind of people every country needs: respected citizens and community leaders, as well as outstanding employees and leaders in the professions. For them to be what the future world needs, they must be not robots, but instead the best of what it means to be human. This is part of the reason why music is so important to us all. I am therefore delighted to welcome today distinguished guests from several countries who reflect the geographic diversity of our own university, singers and musicians who will share their thoughts on the importance of music in our lives. As the Danish writer Hans Christian Andersen observed, where words fail, music speaks. So during their remarks, should any of our guests decide to break into song, I am sure none of us will mind at all. Thank you.